This is the unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy mobile phone. Right, here's the package. It's just turned up. Let's go and have a look inside. Right, we're going to cut this open. So bear with me, I'm going to put the camera down. Regular viewers will notice I do this a lot. Right, knife, sharp, don't cut yourselves. I've just unsealed it and that didn't help. Let's try it with the knife. I have a feeling I'm going to lose a finger. Certainly am if I continue doing that bit. Right, so for the orange, we have the 3G package, a very orange and black piece of paperwork, and the Samsung Galaxy S box, which looks quite like the iPhone 4 box. Maybe because the iPhone won an award for the box, Samsung's trying to rip them off. Right, I think we've rotated the box enough. Let's have a look inside. By the way, the seal that says "Do not accept if seal is broken" sticker is actually broken. Let's have a look at it anyway, but this phone might be going back. Right, looking inside the box, we have "Read this first." Right, we can ignore that. The Galaxy S phone in nice packaging, and it's bragging that it's an Android. It's bragging that it's a Super AMOLED screen, and it's bigging up the fact it's got a social hub, GPS and Wi-Fi. All other phones just have those things. By the way, if you can see the reflection of the cameraman in the Galaxy S screen, apologies, shaving was not a necessity this morning. Let's take it out. Here we have the phone, clearly the camera on the back, several stickers, and there's a logo. Oh, that's a very strong reflection. There's a logo on the back here that says "With Google", and Samsung at the bottom. Nice phone, very, almost dropped it. So light, I almost dropped it. Very light. And we have the box, which is hiding probably loads of goodies. Okay, it's hiding in another panel. That has probably got the welcome information. And then we have a pamphlet. And then we have a headset with very good looking earbuds, much better than the iPhone equivalent. We have a little dongle there with a button on it, so that will pick up and close calls. We have a very small Samsung charger. That's quite a neat size. Apple recently reduced the size of theirs, and this is quite nice and small. We now have something the iPhone does not have, the removable battery, already removed. And last but not least, we have a USB cable. USB to micro USB by the looks of it. Excellent. That concludes the Samsung Galaxy unboxing. All of those who are still awake, thanks for tuning in. New episodes coming shortly.